how to set the apps icons on your phone back to the default on the Samsung Galaxy S20, S20 Plus, or the S20 Ultra. So here's how you can restore it. First, tap on the home key to go back to your home screen, and then tap and hold to the home screen, and then tap on themes. Next, tap on the menu key at the top corner here, and then tap on my stuff. Next, tap on icons, and here you can see this is the one that I have downloaded. Now I'm going to want to choose the default, so tap on the default template, and then tap on applied. And now it will apply the default icons template, and you can see all this now reverted back to the default. And that's it. Now you can also do it from the settings menu. So swipe down, tap on the settings icon, then tap on themes, and it will take you to this page right here. So it's the same thing. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.